In this video, we're going to discuss adding contacts to your system. Now, in order to add contacts to your system, the very first thing that you're going to need is a group. Every one of your contacts added is actually grouped together by groups. So first, you will just click on the Add Group subtab inside of the Contacts tab. So here you can just go ahead and select your group. So let's say you want a group for customers, and maybe you already have a customer group and you want to have another group of customers for something else. Just go ahead and select the name. Select which of your team members that you would like to have access to that group. Now, if they're not selected, then that means the only person that would have access to this group of contacts would be the admin of the account. So anybody that you want to be able to dial the group in your power dialer or the inbound or any of the other features would need to have access to that group. So make sure that you assign whomever that you need to have access to that group here when creating the group. You can edit it later, but if you are trying to add contacts and then use them in the power dialer and you're having trouble getting it to dial, that would probably be the issue. So first, create the name. Next, click Add Group. Now, once the group has been added, you will see it show up in your list, and you can import contacts. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about in this video is editing the custom fields in a group. Now, you can again have as many custom groups as you'd like. There's no cap on that. And as far as fields are concerned, you can also have as many custom fields as you would like. So you can see here in our group, I'm going to click on this wrench icon, and I'll have the ability to add custom fields. So you can add custom fields like maybe you want to find out the color, that your customer's favorite color. Maybe you want to find out their birth date or their social security number, or any of those different things that you would need to get from a customer. All you have to do is click Add Field, name the field, and then next you select if it's a text box or a text area. Text area gives you more area to type than a text box. So a text box would be smaller than a text area. So if you need more field space, then you would select text area. Once you've selected that, you just click Save. And when you come back to that group later, you'll see that those fields have been added. And when you go to import any contacts into that group, you will also see your custom fields are available. So it's advised that before you begin importing your contacts, you create your group as well as add any of the additional custom fields that you would need before you try to map your data, which we'll cover in the next video. Another nice feature that we have, if you look here on the right hand side, you can load the settings from another group. So if you click load setting, you can actually copy another group. If you already have entered all of your custom fields the way you'd like them, then you'll see it will automatically load that group with those settings, and then you can just name this group and then click Add. So this concludes this video on adding groups and customizing your contact fields. You also, one thing I should also mention in this video is that you also have the ability to edit the name or make changes to the name of the group, as well as you have the option to delete a group. And this is how you will also delete any contacts that you have in a group. So if you want to, for example, delete just the group only and then leave the contacts, you can do that. Or you can select group name and contacts, click submit, and then the group will be removed as long as the group is not in use. If the group is in use, then you'll get this message, and in order to delete that group, you would need to go into the campaign where that group is in use and take it out of use, and then you can come back and remove the campaign or remove the group. Again, this video this concludes this video on adding contacts to your group. Adding a group, as well as customizing the custom fields. I hope this video was informative and it answered any questions that you have on groups. Thanks so much.